gun, cardboard pieces, a ruler, a scissor, a two couple of bottles. We have to keep it with more than 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have to paste them to rocket with using the glue gun. Guys, you have to need a supporter to send your rocket like this. Then you have to rest the rocket on the supporter. If you want to put some decoration, you can put some decoration for your support. Let's see how we send the rocket.